Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NETE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these green line annotations are coming from, and definitely got good solid confirmation that this is officially a technical pattern breakout. What do I mean by pattern? Well, for those of you that have watched the videos in the past, we've been tracking this sideways price movement for quite a while, and yesterday the price started to show some signs of strength by getting through it. And then today, is where the continuation came, where the price just continued working its way higher and higher upwards. So definitely a good day there for the bulls. So definitely some updates now here need to be made. And the first thing to do is just do a little house clean, get rid of these lines. Sure, they still pertain, but they're not really relevant. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion. So I want to try to keep this analysis as clean as possible and just keep the annotations to a minimum. So the newest area of support, and what I would consider the ideal level of support going forward. I mean, if you're like, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if 95 cents can hold. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 95 cents, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to maintain up above that point, that would definitely be a huge sign of power on the bulls' part. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of it all, so if you're somebody that just cares about more so, kind of the grand scheme of it all, then that is where the purple line here comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is just going to keep on moving itself higher and higher and higher. So a very cut and dry way to look at this in terms of gauging the health of the current price movement. Simply put, as long as the price stays above that purple line as the line itself moves higher, then the bulls are in full control, full health, full control, however you can best visualize that, no questions asked. What about areas of resistance? In regards to where the sellers seem to be hanging out right now, yeah, I realize the price technically went up to $1.10, but I'm going to go ahead and kind of split the difference a little bit and call it at $1.08 just because the price also hit there a few more times, and I think we can all agree, main point of price congestion right around that area at $1.08. I mean, if you want to call it $1.10, that's fine. I wouldn't argue about that. But as far as my analysis is concerned, I'm just going to go ahead and consider that resistance there at $1.08. All in all, though, at the end of the day, as long as the price keeps on building higher bases like it's been doing, then this current breakout is going to get that much more continuation and continue to bring in that many more eyeballs. So great day today. We'll see if the bulls can keep on building on this momentum. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.